Moving a window involves the steps shown on the screen. Let's open a window to try these steps. On the spreadsheet, I click the right button of the mouse. And from the floating menu, I choose the option Insert. Now we have the window insert open. All windows have a header that is the top area of the window. The header displays the name of the window and usually has the button X on the right side. Now let's follow the steps shown on the screen to move this window to a place that does not prevent me from viewing the data in the spreadsheet. So I first position the mouse cursor on the header of the window. Second, I press the left button of the mouse and keep it pressed while moving the mouse. As you can see, the window is following the direction of the mouse cursor. Finally, now that the window is not hiding the data of the table, I release the left button of the mouse. As you can see, the window has been moved.